Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong.
Myntri ka Sarkar Jilla bakmi ek Tnat Pule Puthi urakam Sangma ulapan pawe ka Sngewkhia halor ka Troiñ ka Koit ka Khiah jong ki Samla Pule ka skol ba Nehu ki barang yai peteng ya ka sha thangan mentala khat san singi kenti Myntri ulakarpat ya ki Samla Pule bakin sange no ka ki sha thangan namar ba ka Sarkar pedeng galadap thung ya ka toket halor ki kenrum kenram hapo ka ka skol ba.
In this regard, our Honorable Chief Minister has already taken up the matter with the Ministry, with the Honorable Education Minister of India, and the Department, the Ministry of Education has already constituted the committee just to see the details of what is going on, what's really, and they will be giving a recommendation. But however, it's very concerned that our dear students is on hunger strike for quite a long time till now. So it is like I also concerned about the health, about them. Academic career and also. So I think I would appeal them if they could be called off, because the matter has been taken up already, and I think it's on the vertical process. So I think the ministry of the government has understood the issue. So I think and already taken up the matter also. So I think I would request them, my dear students, if they could kindly call off the agitation and wait for the recommendation and the outcome of all this, because about the health is also very important, about the academic is also very important. So in the education setup in like scenario, so sometimes the concentration is very, very important. Losing about academic as well as health is very, very important. We cannot compromise it at any cost. So yes, problem is problem, and the government has understood the issue. So I think I don't know what, I also don't know, frankly speaking, what's the real issue within the university, because it is not our control. So I don't know what's the real issue, but since what they have been demanded for, I think ministry has to like a fact-finding team just to go to the root of the issue. Because Honorable Chief Minister also went personally, and I think our Honorable Chief Minister is in constant touch with the Ministry of Education Government of India in this regard. We're meeting them because they are our students only, they are people only meeting them. So let's see. Okay, so let's see the situation. Those who are in the hospital, yes, definitely, I'll be visiting them.